You can't control what you can't see. When it comes to infrastructure, that's more than a catchphrase. It's a reality that can quickly become a liability. If you're running VMware Cloud Foundation, you have, quite literally, the foundation that you need, the backbone for a modern cloud strategy. But when your data leaves the building, visibility too often leaves with it. And that's when trouble starts. An application is slow. Users are frustrated. The server team says it's the network. The network team says the private cloud is fine. But that application is pulling data from a SaaS provider and running a workload in public cloud. Without end-to-end visibility, certainty turns into guesswork, and targeted solutions give way to finger pointing. Mean time to resolution stays high because everyone is focused on proving it's not their fault. Network Observability for VCF changes that. It's an advanced service that extends your vision beyond the private cloud perimeter. It uses active synthetic testing and transaction monitoring to simulate exactly what your users are experiencing 24/7. It also bridges the gap inside your data center, connecting the dots between the virtual overlay and the physical underlay. That means you aren't just looking at the logical network, you're seeing the physical infrastructure that it's running on, all in one view. Network observability doesn't just tell you there's a problem, it shows you the path. You gain visibility and insights across networks that you don't even own. If there's a performance or connectivity issue in an ISP or packet loss in a cloud provider's transit, you see it instantly. You move from guessing to knowing. You have the objective data to show exactly where the bottleneck sits. This is a game changer for migrations too. You can baseline performance before you move a single packet. You monitor the transaction in real time. And once you're live, you have proof that the new environment is delivering. Operational excellence is a team sport, and you can't win the game if you can't see the whole field. So stop being reactive, start seeing the full picture. That's how you deliver a cloud experience that performs, and you have the visibility to prove it.